So I've been drinking protein supplements basically my whole life. And about 10 years ago, I got approached with the idea of putting collagen in products for either beauty or joint health, or basically promoting collagen synthesis in our body. And at first I was like, you know what? I consume a lot of protein. Why do I need to consume collagen? And then I started looking into the science of collagen, how it works. It's really important that when we're thinking about how something is made in our body, we need to think about what our body needs to make those things. And yes, if I'm consuming protein, it contains amino acids. My body can pretty much resynthesize most protein from free amino acids. But in the case of collagen, there's specific peptides, these hydroxyproline-rich peptides that my body recognizes, sees as pieces of collagen, and it actually triggers collagen resynthesis in my body. Consuming collagen is really the only way that I can trigger collagen resynthesis in this level, in this magnitude. And why is that important? Well, collagen is the building protein, the protein structure of the majority of my body other than muscle mass. It's my joints. It's what supports my skin. It's the reason why I don't have wrinkles at a young age, because I have proper collagen synthesis happening in my body. It's critically important to have these building blocks because that's regulating collagen formation and breakdown in my body. You're supposed to have this natural cycle of collagen building, collagen breakdown, collagen recycling. As we age, we tend to favor more collagen breakdown and less collagen building. That's why as we age, we start to look older, have wrinkles, these types of things. By adjusting that balance in favor of collagen synthesis, by consuming collagen plus beauty, we can actually push it in the favor of collagen synthesis and reduce the signs of visible aging. So really important products for beauty, but also for structure, for joint health, for things like that. Really important to take every day. I add it on top of my Smart Meal, on top of my Biome Shake as a protein boost add-on, and I feel better. I may look better. I don't know. I don't really care so much about that, but whatever. If I look better, great. But it will really truly help support your health.